In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up page on Ecwid. Creating a sign-up page on Ecwid is a simple process that allows your customers to register for an account directly on your site, helping you to keep track of their information and enhancing their shopping experience. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to the website editor of your Ecwid store. This is where all the customization magic happens. If you're not already familiar with how to find this, you can access it through your store's dashboard by selecting the website editor option. Once you're inside the editor, you'll see various parts of your website layout available for adjustments. Next, take a look at the options on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Header and Menu. The header of your site is an important component as it often contains your site's navigation, logo, and can also be the first point of interaction with your customers. By clicking on this section, you're setting the stage to make any necessary changes to the top section of your page layout. Once in the header section, you'll find a button labeled Design. Clicking on Design will allow you to tweak various aspects of how your header looks and feels. This is particularly useful if you're keen on maintaining a consistent brand aesthetic. Here, you can change colors, fonts, and other visual elements to ensure your header stands out while remaining functional. After accessing the design options, direct your attention to Menu and Icons. This section is essential because it controls the functionality and appearance of your navigation bar and any associated icons. Navigation is a key facet of user experience. Thus, having a clean and intuitive menu can make all the difference in how users interact with your site. Now, here's where we get to the core of our task today, turning on the account option. Doing this is crucial because it enables the sign-up functionality for your customers. Navigate to the area within Menu and Icons and look for the option to turn on account. Once you enable this, a sign-up or login icon will appear within your header, providing an intuitive entry point for new customers to create accounts or for existing customers to log in. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a sign-up page on Ecwid. By following these streamlined steps, you can ensure that your website invites user interaction while also looking sophisticated and professional. Remember, a well-designed sign-up page can lead to a more engaged and loyal customer base, ultimately enhancing your business operations.